I'll start off with the benefit collectively. So with an LVR uplift, what it gives us is access to money to create more wealth. And when we create more wealth, we can continue to deliver the amazing things that we already are delivering, like the care packs that we all received and that our parents and nannies received during lockdown. The fact that Steve was able to go into a rental vehicle and drive up and down the country to deliver those things to all whānau who really needed that level of aroha and that level of connection. So the LVR uplift helps us to continue to deliver those types of services. We are constantly told by our Māori friends in particular and Pākehā from throughout the motu about how amazing the universal health insurance through NIB is. And the LVR uplift helps us to continue to provide that service to whānau. And I don't know about you, but I've got new glasses, Mum's got new eyes, a number of cousins with new knees and new hips. And so it's about continuing to deliver those things. What else it gives us the opportunity to do is to provide more of the things that whānau have requested of us. So as we've already mentioned, we developed a really aspirational strategy, and rightly so, which should be aspirational, but we can't pay for those things unless we have some access to capital to help us do that. I think some of the benefits that we will see from the LVR are probably going to be more experienced by our kids and by our mokopuna, because this is about long-term intergenerational wealth development, but at pace. So the LVR uplift allows us to create that gap, bring that gap closer in terms of the wealth that we need to be able to deliver all of the aspirations that our whānau have asked of us in a quicker time frame, hopefully so that we might benefit from it, but more importantly, our kids and our mokopuna benefit from it. And things like toi tupu, we can continue to deliver that and potentially increase it. And what we've seen, particularly during lockdown, is that there's a real need for access to the savings in toi tupu. And so we need to be able to respond to that and support our whānau when they need our help. And this LVR uplift is one of the mechanisms that we have at our avail to help us achieve that.